10 money habits that keep you broke forever. Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, money always seems to slip through your fingers? It may not be because you're not earning enough money, but because you're making some bad money habits that are silently eroding your finances. Welcome to today's video where we'll unmask 10 money habits that can keep you broke forever, and more importantly, we'll find ways to eliminate them and replace them with better habits to build a solid financial future. In this video, we'll discover what these bad habits are, why they're harmful, and practical solutions you can apply today to change your financial situation. No matter your age, income, or financial difficulties, identifying and eliminating these bad habits is the important first step in controlling your finances and getting closer to financial freedom. Habit number 1, not budgeting. The first and perhaps most serious habit on this list is not budgeting. A budget isn't something restrictive or difficult, but a tool to control your cash flow, know where your money is going, and ensure you're spending according to your finance. Not budgeting is like driving without a map. You can go anywhere, but most likely not to where you want to go. Solution: start budgeting today. You can use financial management apps, Excel spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook. What's important is that you track your income and expenses, categorize them, and ensure you're spending less than you earn. Habit number 2, impulsive spending. The second habit is impulsive spending, that is, shopping without a plan, often due to emotions or advertising pressure. Impulsive spending can quickly burn your budget and make you buy unnecessary things. Solution: get in the habit of thinking carefully before buying anything, especially expensive items. Ask yourself, do I really need this item? Can I find this item cheaper? Am I buying this item because of emotion or real need? Wait at least 24 hours before deciding to buy an unnecessary item. Habit number 3, not saving for the future. The third habit is not saving for the future. Many people, especially young people, often think they have plenty of time to save and don't need to worry about retirement or other long-term goals. However, not saving early will cause you to face major financial difficulties in the future. Solution: start saving today, even if it's just a small amount. Set a goal to save a certain percentage of your income each month and stick to that goal. Automate savings by setting up automatic transfers from your payroll account to your savings account each month. Habit number 4, uncontrolled debt. The fourth habit is uncontrolled debt, especially credit card debt. Credit cards can be a useful tool, but if not used carefully, you can quickly get into debt and pay high interest rates. Solution: use credit cards responsibly. Only use credit cards for necessary expenses, and make sure you pay off your credit card debt each month. If you have a lot of credit card debt, develop a repayment plan and stick to it. Habit number 5, not investing. The fifth habit is not investing. Many people think that investing is complicated and risky, or only for rich people. However, investing is an important way to increase your assets and achieve financial freedom. Solution: start learning about different investment channels, such as stocks, real estate, investment funds, and invest your money in channels that suit your goals and risk tolerance. You can start with small investments and seek advice from financial professionals. Habit number 6, comparing yourself to others. The sixth habit is comparing yourself to others. Social media and pressure from friends and colleagues can make you feel pressured to buy things you don't need or live a life you can't afford. Solution: focus on your own goals and values. Remember that everyone has their own circumstances and path. Don't let what you see on social media affect your financial decisions. Habit number 7, not learning about finance. The seventh habit is not learning about finance. Many people don't actively learn about personal finance and rely on advice from others without foundational knowledge. Solution: take the time to learn about personal finance. Read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, take finance courses. The more knowledge you have, the better you can make sound financial decisions. Habit number 8, not setting financial goals. The eighth habit is not setting financial goals. If you don't know what you want to achieve financially, it will be difficult to have the motivation to save and invest. Solution: set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART financial goals. For example, I will save $500 in 6 months for a vacation. Habit number 9, living beyond your means. The ninth habit is living beyond your means, trying to show off by buying expensive items or participating in costly activities. Solution: live a simpler life. Focus on meaningful experiences rather than material possessions. Remember that your value isn't in what you own. Habit number 10, not preparing for unexpected situations. The 10th habit is not preparing for unexpected situations. Life is always full of surprises, and if you don't have an emergency fund ready, you may face major financial difficulties when faced with these situations. Solution: build an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money in a safe, easily accessible place, and only use it when absolutely necessary. Bad money habits can silently erode your finances and keep you broke forever. However, by identifying and eliminating these habits, while building better ones, you can control your finances and build a solid financial future. Start changing your money habits today to build a brighter future. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss other interesting videos on personal finance. Wish you success on the path to building financial freedom.